Hi, little one. Where's your mom? It's not your mommy. Is this her? No. We found your mom. Next. Maybe this is your mom? How about this? Here is your mommy. How about this kid? That's not his mommy. But here's his daddy. One more kid is left, and this is the mommy. Yay! Hey, friends! Let's play with animals and their babies. Aren't they all cute? Huh, the parents are here, but the babies are gone. That's wrong. I've got an idea. We'll take this light blue clay. First, we'll make it flat. This is gonna be the head. Can you guess what animal I'm making? I'll give you a hint. This long nose is called a trunk. It helps this animal breathe and eat. Yes, it's an elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth. They're super powerful and heavy. Their ears are huge. They help elephants stay cool in hot weather. Also, elephants love to spray water and mud on their bodies. That's how they bathe and cool off too. Look at this one going. Isn't he cute? Let's take this baby elephant to its mom. Is this his mom? No. Maybe this? Wrong. Aha! We found the mother. The next clay color is yellow. But first, let's make this piece of clay flat. We're making a very interesting animal here. It lives in the jungle. And it has great night vision. You know, like cats. It is actually a type of big cat. It has super sharp teeth and claws. And it runs very fast. So, do you know the name of this animal? That's right, it's a lion. Lions live in groups called prides. You can recognize male lions by their big fluffy manes. They simply love to nap and rest. And lion cubs love to play, just like kittens do. Now, this baby needs his daddy. Where is he? It's not the one we need. This is the lion's daddy. Yippee! The next color is white. We're making a bird that has a long neck. This helps it reach food. It also walks with a funny waddle. What is this bird called? Yep, this bird is a goose. And this is its baby. Geese live in groups called flocks. They watch out for danger and warn others. Geese like to swim, splash, and float on ponds and lakes. A baby goose is called a gosling. Goslings are small, fluffy, and yellow or gray. Some geese fly to warmer places in winter to avoid the cold. We gotta find a parent for this little guy. Is this his mommy? No, this must be its mom. Right. Now let's use some green clay. I'll roll it out and you try to guess what animal we're making. This is a small animal that can live on land and in water. It can jump very far with the help of its strong legs. It has a long, sticky tongue which helps it catch bugs. What animal is it, friends? Right, it's a frog. Frogs don't drink water with their mouths. They soak it in through their skin. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. They have tails but no legs at first. Frogs like to hide in ponds and grass and catch insects. Now, where's its mommy frog? Here? No. Is this the frog's mom? Wrong. This is the mom we're looking for. Yay! Now, we need some pink clay. First of all, let's roll it out and shape it. This animal is very big and it lives near lakes and rivers. It can easily hold its breath underwater. It has a huge mouth and big teeth. Yes, it's a hippo. Hippo's skin needs water to stay cool. It also makes a special oily sweat to protect itself. Hippos have short legs and round bodies, but they run really fast. They mainly eat grass and plants. Hippos come out to eat at night. You can hear them make loud sounds like grunts and honks. Let's find this little hippo's mom. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. Yes, this is the hippo's mommy. The last color is brown. Let's see if you can guess our last animal. This is a big, furry animal that lives in forests, mountains, and snowy places. It usually sleeps for a long time in the winter. It's called hibernation. Well, what animal is it? Yes, it's a bear. And here is our baby bear, or cub. Bears use big, strong paws to climb, dig, and grab food, like berries, fish, honey, and plants. Bears may look slow, but they can run really fast. They also have a strong sense of smell. Now, where is this cub's mommy? We've found her! Hooray! Guys, all the babies are back with their parents. Let's take a closer look. Thanks for playing with me today. Bye-bye! See you in the next video.